So this is our new little game. It's called Protect the Bird Kingdom. So basically, I sit in one corner of my yard, my sister sits in the other, and she has a mask and a vest on, and I have a Echo 1P90, and she tries to touch the bird fountain before I can hit her. So, we're going to do 5 rounds. This will probably be 1 round and then a new video. When I say go, she goes, I would go around back.
That's what I was gonna do. It's okay.
Okay. Ready, go. You got it?
You hit me rugged.
Yeah! Win for David! Alright, so that was a fun, very fast game. And I won round 1. Look for round 2 coming soon to YouTube near you.